I am Vidya. Welcome to the EduBulletin, the online news platform for all the latest educational updates. Let's see the highlights of the day. PM shares exam tips in Mann Ki Baat, urging students to stay positive and stress-free while also highlighting wildlife conservation and the need to tackle obesity. NCERT invites participation in an online training on ICT for teaching and learning of social sciences, scheduled from 24 to 28 February 2025, with live sessions broadcast on YouTube, PM eVidya DT8 channels 6 to 12, and Jio TV from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Tamil Nadu CM launches the APPA app to bridge the parent-teacher communication gap, benefiting around 46,000 government and 12,000 private schools. PM delays his departure for the Global Investors Summit in Bhopal by 15 minutes to ensure students reach their exam centers without inconvenience. None of the 366 shortlisted candidates cleared the written test of Odisha District Judge Recruitment Examination 2024 on 5th January, leaving all 45 district judge vacancies unfilled, as confirmed by the Odisha High Court. In UP's Mainpuri, a Class 2 student was tied to a tree and beaten by his teacher for not studying, prompting the parents to file a complaint. UP teacher beat a 10-year-old student, broke his leg, and then attempted to settle the matter by offering 200 rupee to the child's mother for treatment. The Scindia School, in association with White Canvas India, hosted the Young CEO product launch ceremony, where students unveiled 3 startups: EcoBam, Sustainable Bamboo Products, Rebloomers, Upcycle Fabric Creations, and Profeed, Healthy Protein Bars and Millet Cookies, as part of an initiative to foster entrepreneurial thinking and equip students with real-world business skills through hands-on learning. A Class 8 student in Hyderabad died after jumping from a school building, allegedly after being slapped by a teacher for turning CCTV camera, police said. Make fire safety part of the school curriculum. Beyond Carlton, a citizen-led fire safety initiative urges schools to incorporate fire safety education at an event that also honored 4 fire and emergency personnel from different districts for their bravery and service. Mumbai private schools reject the RTE reimbursement of 17,670 rupee per student as insufficient, demanding 30,000 rupees instead, citing rising operational costs, inflation, and teacher salaries. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the EduBulletin. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.